Imagine the frustration of buying a truck only to have it let you down repeatedly. Today, we're diving into the world of the 15 most disappointing pickup trucks, vehicles that consumers have overwhelmingly shunned. These aren't just underperformers. They're notorious for reliability issues, costing owners a fortune in repairs and endless hours of aggravation. From weak engines and transmission failures to electrical headaches and plummeting resale values, these trucks are at the bottom of the heap, according to Consumer Reports and sales data. Let's explore the countdown of the 15 trucks that buyers regret purchasing. Starting at number 15, the Subaru Baja, 2003 to 2006. Subaru aimed to blend the practicality of a car with the utility of a truck, but the market wasn't convinced. Aiming for 24,000 annual sales, Subaru barely moved 30,000 units over its 4-year run. Why the failure? The Baja struggled with identity, being too small for truck enthusiasts and too awkward for Subaru's loyal car followers. Number 14, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Hybrid, 2009 to 2013. GM's first hybrid pickup was a flop, with fewer than 250 units sold in its debut year. The complex hybrid system offered minimal benefits, and owners faced numerous issues, including overheating battery packs and unreliable electrical components. Number 13, the Toyota Tundra, 2022. Known for reliability, Toyota's 2022 Tundra shocked consumers with its problems. Consumer Reports ranked it last among full-size trucks. Owners reported engine issues and power loss due to faulty turbocharger valves, leading to a significant recall and a tarnished reputation. Number 12, the Toyota T100, 1993 to 1998. Despite decent reliability ratings, the T100 failed to capture the market. Peaking at 40,000 annual sales, it was overshadowed by domestic competitors. The T100 was too small, underpowered, and lacked a V8 option, making it unappealing to truck buyers. Number 11, the Lincoln Blackwood, 2002. Lincoln's luxury pickup was a monumental flop, discontinued after just 1 year with only 3,383 units sold. Prioritizing luxury over functionality, the Blackwood featured a carpeted bed with a power cover that sealed it like a trunk, rendering it useless for typical truck tasks. Number 10, the Chevrolet SSR, 2003 to 2006. This convertible pickup with retro styling failed to impress both truck and sports car enthusiasts. At its peak, Chevy sold just 9,000 units. The retractable hardtop was a constant headache, with frequent mechanical failures and expensive repairs. Number 9, the GMC Canyon, first generation, 2004 to 2012. Sharing components with the Chevy Colorado, the Canyon inherited all its reliability woes. GMC hoped to position it as a premium mid-size option, but buyers weren't convinced. By 2012, sales had dwindled to a mere 2,200 units annually. Number 8, the Chevrolet Colorado, first generation, 2004 to 2012. Starting strong with 150,000 units sold in 2005, the Colorado ended with a whimper at fewer than 4,000 sold in 2012. Its unusual inline engines, particularly the 3.5-liter 5-cylinder, were plagued with cylinder head defects and other reliability nightmares. Number 7, the Dodge Dakota, third generation, 2005 to 2011. The final generation Dakota saw sales drop from over 100,000 in 2005 to just 10,000 in 2011. Consumer Reports rated it poorly for reliability, citing issues with the engine, suspension, and drive system. The Dakota's outdated design couldn't compete in an evolving market. Number 6, the Ford Explorer Sport Track, 2001 to 2005, 2007 to 2010. This SUV pickup hybrid failed to capture buyers' interest, with sales dropping from 70,000 in 2001 to just 5,000 by 2010. The first generation suffered from poor reliability, particularly with the notorious Ford 5R55 transmission. Number 5, the Hummer H3T, 2009 to 2010. With only 2 model years, the H3T made little impact. Just 2,700 units sold in 2009 and fewer than 1,000 in 2010 before GM discontinued the Hummer brand. Based on the troubled Chevy Colorado platform, the H3T inherited its reliability problems, including cylinder head issues and overheating problems. Number 4. The Hummer H2SUT 2005 to 2009. Known for its excessive weight and poor fuel economy, the H2SUT was a reliability nightmare. Front differentials and half shafts frequently failed, and the truck's massive weight led to frequent brake and rotor replacements. Sales collapsed from around 33,000 in 2004 to fewer than 1,500 by 2009. Number 3. The Isuzu I-Series 2006 to 2008. A rebadged Chevy Colorado, the I-Series inherited all its reliability problems, including cylinder head failures and hard-shifting transmissions. In its best year, Isuzu sold just 4,137 units, and by 2009, sales had plummeted to a mere 227 before Isuzu exited the passenger vehicle market. Number 2. The Cadillac Escalade EXT 2002 to 2013. Cadillac's luxury pickup started strong but ended in obscurity. From over 14,000 units sold in 2003, sales dropped to fewer than 2,000 by 2013. The EXT suffered from poor reliability ratings, with frequent air suspension failures and transmission issues. Number 1. The Lincoln Mark LT 2006 to 2008. After the Blackwood's failure, Lincoln tried again with the Mark LT, but sales peaked at 12,753 in 2006 before plummeting to 4,631 by 2008. The Mark LT mirrored the F-150's reliability issues, including loud ticking noises from the cam phasers and spark plugs that would seize and break off during removal. These are the 15 trucks that consumers have overwhelmingly rejected, according to Consumer Reports and sales data. From rebadged disasters to luxury trucks with identity crises, these vehicles serve as cautionary tales. What's your experience with any of these trucks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive insights, and we'll see you in the next video.